So it's just getting real right now. I am actually making some we call it in the Caribbean black eye soup. Black eyed pea soup. It is black eyed peas, and I have some dumplings in here, some chicken, some potato, the seasoning, and all the good stuff. This is our breakfast for the morning. And black eyed peas also has we also say in the Caribbean, I always heard my mom said that the black eyed peas um it signifies like wealth and prosperity. So I say let me start off the new year with the black eyed peas, you know what I'm saying, on a positive note. So I am cooking up a storm this morning. Yes, it is an awesome day. Happy New Year's, guys. Much love, much love, much love. Uh, just stirring the pot because it's getting out of control over here. You know, this is what we do. So you be blessed, guys.